Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have a logged-in Epic account and the latest Fortnite update. Once done, join the host's party because only the party leader can enter the key. That's why being in the correct party matters. Make sure the organizer sends you the exact custom matchmaking key string. After receiving the key, go to the lobby. You're already in motion. Do not waste time navigating menus until your party leader or the host has given permission. Now you will actually enter the key. You, or the party leader, open the lobby settings, navigate to the custom matchmaking key field, and paste the exact code. Because servers match by that key, selecting the correct playlist and region is important, otherwise you'll be placed in the wrong session. Once the leader confirms the key, everyone should verify their ready status and loadout. Make sure to stay in the party and don't change platforms. Stability here prevents desync and match denial. Finish by having the leader start matchmaking. You'll see the join prompt and should load into the private session. If you can't join, double-check the key for typos and confirm the host is still the party leader because keys only work when set by leader. That's a common why. Also validate everyone's game version and region. If problems persist, check NAT type, reconnect to the organizer, or ask them to reissue the key. Those steps resolve most access failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.